Hello, hi, this is Rani Ahmed with you, and this is lesson 38 in how to program using TCL scripting language on Cisco routers. Now, in this lesson, I'm going to talk about how to format the output in a tabular form. Okay, there's a command named format that does this for us. Now, this command is like it's a big command, but I'm just going to take the thing that really matters to us. Okay, so let me tell you what I'm going to do. Okay, the script here is going to show me each interface what it has as an IP. Okay, so we'll have an interface versus IP address table. Okay, and this is the command. Okay, that the script that I've uploaded to the router. Okay, so gives you the interface IP and its net mask. Okay, so how did I do this? First of all, if you look into the running config for those who don't know is the configuration that's currently running in the router. Okay, so if I say show run, okay, you can see this is the show run, and we can go down until we see the interface line. Okay, and below it with a space, this space means I moved into something below the interface command. Okay, to a mode below the interface command. So I'm setting up here the IP address. So I'm going to search inside the running config the interface line and the IP address line. Okay, and I could have used the show interfaces. Okay, but this is like too much. Okay, and to find the IP address here amongst all this. Okay, so, and it's not that definite, so it's not that easy to grab the line. So it would have been, it is easier, I mean, to use the show run config to find the IPs, the address here. Okay, now so let's go to the script and explain how did I do it. Now here the row, this global variable row will hold a list. Okay, and the list will be the let's run the script again just to tell you what's the row. Okay, so it will be the fast Ethernet here, then the IP, then the net mask, then it continues on the same line. Okay, the Ethernet like repeating the lines as if they are all joined in one line. Okay, so if you want, I can just upload it and tell you what's a row here. See, let me upload the script again and show you what's row. See, this is the row I'm printing out. So you see every 3 makes a line. Okay, and therefore I can use the for each and to print every 3. Okay, so that's why I needed to have this variable. Also the execution of the show running config, I have to split it as lines. Okay, so every line I have to scan it and see what's it all about. Okay, and what it has. So I use the regex here to find the line which has the interface word. Okay, so that line that has the interface word. Okay, I just take this second word. Okay, because you know if I can transform the line directly into a list of words. Okay, so if I say the at index 0, it will be the word interface, but the interface name is the second word, so it will be at index 1. Okay, and therefore I can append the interface name into the row. Now, of course, this match is not this match which searches for the line which has the IP address, but because they are consecutive, okay, so this will search for this will find the first line, okay, and it will skip this, but on the second iteration, this if statement will be skipped to go to the next one. Okay, this is the trick here. And the and I look also for those lines which has no IP address. Okay, it has the word IP, it has the word address, but it starts with the no IP address, which means it is not configured yet. So, and I just set the words as not applicable. Okay, both the IP and the not mask. And then finally, after I trim them, get them from as words, they are sitting on the index 2 and index 3 of the line. Okay, I just append them to the row variable. Okay, now after this is all done, and after all the iterations are done, here this is the line that I printed for you, just to see what's row all about, what it has now. Okay, according to our current configuration. So this is what row finally settles at. Okay, so I use this way of formatting. I use the command format. Now, here's where the beautiful part comes in. So when this is called the format string. Okay, now, and those are the strings that you want to put inside this format string. So this part represents the interface here. Okay, this part represents the IP mask. Okay, this part represents the not mask. Okay, the pipe characters are not part of the formatting conversion. Okay, those strings that start with, or those parts of the string that starts with the % are the conversion strings. So here it tells that you have to have like a left justified because of the dash here, or the minus sign. Okay, and the 20 is the space that the number of characters that will make the space for the string that will sit at the place of the interface. Okay, so I'm giving here a field of 20 characters. Okay, and S here means that what you're going to sit here, or make it sit here, okay, is the word interface. Okay, then I print a pipe here. So that's why I get the output is so formatted very clearly, okay, and very TD. Okay, so you here have like those characters plus those spaces together are 20. Okay, so it will trail a number of spaces, okay, according to the need. Okay, and here what I'm doing is every 3 from the list row, okay, will represent the interface name, the IP, and the not mask. And similarly, I'm using this format string to tabulate the output of interface, IP, and not mask. Okay, and those, of course, will be replaced here. Okay. Now, if it's less than 20, okay, 20 spaces, as I said, okay, the characters that are not written will be defined as, or will be as spaces. Okay, will be considered spaces. So that's all about the format string, and It's a really big one, okay? So I hope that you go and read about it in the ECL manual, okay? But this is enough for us just to make a table, okay? Because all we do is kind of reporting, okay? And thanks for watching.